welcome again for another episode of Olive's Kitchen Adventures. I'm Olive Marie, and for today, our guest is my good friend, Mike.
Hi! Hello mga ka-Enggie!
Hello! So, thank you so much for joining us.
Yes.
And for today, what is our recipe? Ano yung i-share mo sa amin?
So it's a fish tofu with black beans, so it's very easy to cook. So for you as a busy mom,
Yes.
you can cook it right away, anytime.
Okay.
So basta available lang yung ingredients natin.
Oh, perfect. So this is like a Chinese recipe, no? Tama?
Yes.
So ano ang mga ingredients na kailangan natin for this recipe?
Our ingredients for today are Cream Dory cut into pieces by Aquamaria, tofu, salt and pepper to taste, 1 whole onions, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic chopped, bell peppers chopped, a can of black beans or tausi drained, 3 to 4 calamansi juice or 1 lemon. Also, we're going to use cornstarch and flour for the breading of the fish.
So, Enggie, ano ang una natin gagawin with our recipe today?
So we're going to fry the tofu, no? Kasi medyo it would take time. Then after frying the tofu, we're going to season the fish before we fry it also. So we're going to fry the tofu. While waiting for this, we could start seasoning the fish with salt and pepper and with calamansi. And then we'll just leave it there for a while. So the season naman depende sa inyo para kung ano yung preferred taste nyo, kung gusto nyo mas maalat.
How long pina-fry yung tofu? How long does it take na maging medyo crispy na siya ng konti?
So
Or brown?
you'll see naman in the pan, pagka brown na siya, pwede mo na siya i-turn tapos cook na yung tofu na yun.
Okay. So high heat lang ito, and
High heat lang.
we'll just wait for it to brown.
Yes. Brown na siya, so we're going to take some of it,
Yes.
some of the tofu, kasi ready na siya. So we're just going to put this in a plate.
So, natapos na yung pag-fry ng tofu. And then now, Enggie, what's our next step? Okay. So, we did the breading, egg, and then cornstarch, and then egg again, and then flour.
So, since natapos mo na siyang i-brown lang natin yung fish, and then luto na yan kasi thin slices naman yung ginawa natin dito sa fish. Yeah, so brown na yung kabilang side, so we're just going to turn this para ma-brown naman yung other. So, didiretso ko na, olive ba? So, ito na po yung ating, we're going to use the same oil, so yung bawang, mga 3 cloves of bawang. And then the onions. And then the bell pepper.
At medium heat. Right?
Yes. Tapos yung tausi. Use lang yan ang buhos.
Yung tausi is canned, and then we drained it na when we prepare it.
Tapos yung ating so, i-reduce lang natin ng konti yung and then i-press natin ng konti yung beans para lumasa.
Hindi na natin siya dagdagan ng salt and pepper.
Hindi na kasi the black beans itself maalat na.
Maalat na siya. Oh, ayan! Lumalapot na siya.
Ayan, so na-reduce na rin yung So, technically, okay na to.
So, malapit na tayo mag-taste test.
So, patayin natin.
Okay.
Kasi we need the water, sisipin ko. So, okay, so luto na siya, no? Olive yung sauce. So, we're just going to top this one. We're just going to pour this on top.
Wow! So, eto na yon ang ating fish and tofu with black beans by Kuya Enggie. So, we're going to taste this na. Huh?
Ang sarap.
Ang sarap ng fish.
Yung alat niya doon sa sakto lang dahil sa black beans.
Sa black beans, yeah. Thank you so much, Kuya Enggie. Salamat sa recipe na shinare mo sa amin today. And thank you everyone for joining us today. And please click like and subscribe Olive's Kitchen Adventures. Thank you, Kuya Enggie.
Thank you rin, Olive, for having me here. And also, plug ko na rin yung channel ko.
Yes, yung channel mo.
Michael Alcantara, please also do subscribe, mga ka-Enggie.
If you would like to purchase the fish, you can purchase it via www.aquamaria.store. Bye! Thank you everyone!
Bye-bye!